We demonstrate combined procedure of arthroscopic pull-out medial meniscus root repair from lateral tibia and open wedge distal tibial tubercle osteotomy. We have nothing to disclose. First, MCL is released. In arthroscopy, the connective tissue around PCL is removed. MMPRT is diagnosed using a trans-notch view from the anterolateral portal. The torn meniscal root is easily lifted during probing. With an original guide, the tunnel is aimed at a slightly postural medial position behind the anatomical footprint. A single bone tunnel is created from the proximal lateral tibia using a 2.4 mm guide wire following 4.5 mm of over-drilling. The cartilage around the bone tunnel is removed by ring curettage until the subchondral bone is exposed to heal the meniscal root. This is bone tunnel direction. This is a first suture with the knee scorpion. A horizontal mattress suture is made with suture relay technique. The modified Mason-Allen suture is made. Finally, a suture relay thread is passed into the bone tunnel. During the OWDTO process, the reamer is placed into the bone tunnel to protect the suture relay thread. 2 parallel K-wires are inserted into the hinge point. Next, some arc dots holes for arc osteotomy are made with a short hinge pin as arc center. First, descending osteotomy is performed with approximately 25 mm length and 10 to 15 mm thickness of the bone fragment using a reciprocation saw. Second, arc osteotomy is performed along the arc drill holes. Finally, coronal osteotomy is performed using a bone saw. Two artificial bones are inserted. An additional bicortical antero-posterior screw with a washer is inserted with a guide under fluoroscopy. After the cut piece is repaired, lastly, HTO plate is placed on the medial tibia using locking screws. It is important to identify the screw that interferes with the bone tunnel and insert a short plate screw under lateral fluoroscopy. Finally, meniscus repair threads are passed into the bone tunnel using suture relay thread. These threads are fixed at lateral tibia. We can see DSP at proximal lateral tibia under fluoroscopy. After fixation of these threads, repaired MMPR is confirmed to be stabilized and to be pulled out laterally with arthroscopy.